And hello there again, fancy folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is a PBandai HG coming from the Requiem for Vengeance, a Netflix show. What I have is the Zaku 2 F-Type LeSean, and of course, the Identified Type LeSean. So this is actually a twin kit featuring the Zaku 2 of LeSean, which is, if you haven't seen yet, and spoiler alert for Requiem for Vengeance, is the partner or the surviving partner of Solari after the initial Gundam attack. So yeah, he has his own signature Zaku. It got destroyed, and then they built a Zaku out of some parts they found, which is the identified one, which is what we can see here in this box art right here. Now off to the side, yep, this is just LeSean, and of course the identified one. Of the other side is, of course, the information about Gundam Requiem for Vengeance, which is another show. Now, moving on and looking what's inside the box. So first off, we see one bag with one, two, three screws, a dark green color. Um, Another bag with all black, some chains and the mesh, I guess, yeah, or something reminiscent of the Thunderbolt Gundam. More screws, green screws and black screws here. Another screw with all red and dark gray. Uh, a light gray one and then a black one. Oh, neat. They gave me a sticker. Um, Another screw with light green, darker green, and of course some grays, some light green here, and the instruction manual is right here. So again, this is a twin type set wherein you can build the LeSean Zaku F type and the Zaku 2 and type, which is piloted by LeSean, and it's a booklet type. And of course, you have some markings where to put it, and etc. And of course, I think, yeah, it's in this part wherein they tell you how long of the train you need, and of course, same with the Solari one. You need to have glue to stick it on, and I think it's here for the placements of the chains. I don't know how to really put them, but yeah, we'll see. So let's take a look individually at each of the screws. Alright, now what we have here is the A1, which is an all red sprue. So we already seen this in Solari and the After Zaku in RFV, so shoulder pads. We also have an A2 here, which is actually the weapon. It comes with an A3, which actually, if you see, I guess not, or I guess yes, yeah. So yeah, this part is being replicated in the A3, but some new parts here. We have two B1s actually. One is the green, which is the Jean type, and then the other one is brownish green one for the unidentified one that LeSean piloted, yeah, after their machines got totaled. So it also is reflected on the B1, the B2. uh, Two of the same parts, two of the same screws but different colors. And since we have two same screws with different colors, we also have some similar goings with the inner framings for the C1 here. You got two of those. Again with the C2, having two of the same screws with different colors. Uh, Same goes for the D1 here. There you have it, D1. Also same for the D2. Yeah, so those. Same goes. No, we just have only one E1 and one E2 here. And same for the analytic insularity, we have this F1 wherein we need to use glue to put it in the mobile suit or in the kit. And we have some bright transfer stickers, mm, uh, reminiscent with Sarkin Solari and the EX Gundam. We do have, like what I said earlier, a chain which we need to put all around the mobile suit or the kit. And of course the cover, this cover here, which is reminiscent to the Thunderbolt Gundam. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the P-Bandai box of the twin set of the Zaku to F-Type LeSean and the Zaku to Unidentified Type LeSean, coming from the Requiem for Vengeance, a Netflix series that was shown previously. And yeah, so now I guess I have already completed all the Zakus. It's time to build them. And this is Soren saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, giving other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.